Hey my loves, welcome back to another video. My name is Fola. If you are seeing me for the first time, in today's video I've curated 10,000 naira worth of skincare products for you, for your entire face and for your entire body. This is basically towards tailored towards students, because I do know that students may likely not have a lot of money to splurge on skincare products like some of us, so this doesn't mean I'm saying students are broke, but I mean when I was a student there are some things I can afford now that I couldn't afford then. So I just thought to curate something for you guys. Or maybe you are not necessarily a student, I just need low-end effective skincare products. I wrote everything out in a book so that I would not forget anything. So if you see me looking down, I'm probably trying to get the exact amount of a particular product. So I've decided to divide this video into two parts. One is going to be for acne prone skin and the other is going to be for normal skin or just for maintenance. So for acne prone skin, let us get right into the video. For acne prone skin, I would recommend that you use Dudu soap for your acne, but you should only use Dudu soap at night. So let's start. Dudu soap is 500 naira. You will definitely want to use that to cleanse your face at night before you go to the second step of toning your face. Now I would say you should tone your face with Saturday cleanser. Saturday cleanser is a very good cleanser that contains glycolic acid and sulfur. Sulfur helps to tackle acne, pimples, blackheads, even sunburn and other hyperpigmentation. And glycolic acid, as you all know, is a very good exfoliant. So because you're already using glycolic acid and Santad, I wouldn't think there's any need for scrub or any physical exfoliants or even more chemical exfoliants. So Dudu soap is 500 naira. Saturday cleanser is 1,000 naira. That's the maximum. You can get it for 700 naira, 800 naira in some places, but yeah, 1,000 naira. Then Goji berry vitamin C or vitamin C serum. So you all know that I like to wash my face, then tone it, or use a cleanser, then use serum. So yeah, I'm going to recommend Goji berry serum to you. If after using your Santa cleanser you notice any burning sensation, you notice that your face is burning, or maybe you notice any tingly feeling, this is where Goji berry serum comes in. Goji berry helps to calm the face, helps to soothe the face. So if you are burning from maybe the dryness of the Saturday or the dryness from the Dudu you used earlier, Goji berry helps to suits your skin and it just makes you feel better. It also helps to plump up your skin and get rid of hyperpigmentation. Or you use vitamin C serum if you don't have any burning sensation and you want something to just plump up your skin. Vitamin C serum at the long run fades out dark spots and all that. Each of these costs 1,500 naira only. So depending on what you want for your skin, you can choose either of them. Then you go to face cream. La face cream is a very affordable yet effective face cream. La face cream is 800 naira only. It is whitening. It helps to clear dark spots. So if you are struggling with acne, there are chances that you also have acne scars, that's black spots. La face cream helps to get rid of hyperpigmentation and acne scars. So, and that cream is 800 naira. Then what is your skincare routine? What is your skincare regimen without a sunscreen? Here I'm recommending Gavia sunscreen, which is 2,000 naira only. Then that's for your face. So we have talked about your soap, we have talked about your toner, you have talked about your serum, we have talked about your face cream and your sunscreen. For the body now, you have to exfoliate your skin so that whatever you're using on your skin actually works. So I'm recommending Cool Spa Salt. Cool body scrubs like spa salt is about 1,000, 1,200. Very affordable yet very effective. So yeah, Cool Spa Salt 1,200. Then your body cream, I recommend Nivea Even and Radiant body cream. Okay, if you are using your exfoliate, if you are exfoliating your skin very well and you are using this soap I'm still going to mention, with this body cream, it might not give you 3 shades whiter or 2 shades, but it's definitely going to brighten your skin and give you at least 1 shade lighter. So yeah, Nivea Even and Radiant is 2,000 naira, and then Nano Extra White is the soap I'm going to recommend. As a matter of fact, if you are using this Dudu soap for your face at night, then please use Nano Extra White in the morning. So the soap I'm mentioning here, you can use it for your face and body. So use Nano Extra White soap for your face in the morning and Dudu soap at night. Then you can also use Nano Extra White for your face morning, for your entire body morning and night if you choose to have your bath twice in a day. But I will recommend that have your bath twice in a day so that your skin is popping. So shall we recap? Dudu soap 500 naira, Saturday cleanser 1,000 naira, Goji berry serum or vitamin C serum 1,500, La face cream 800 naira, sunscreen 2,000 naira, cool scrub 1,200. Then your body cream, that's Nivea Even and Radiant, But if you also have dry skin, you can also go for Nivea Nourishing. That's about 1,750. See, it's not even up to 2,000. Then your body soap now is Nano Extra White, and that brings us to a total of 10,000 naira only. Yay! So for non-acne prone skin or normal skin, or you just need something to maintain your skin, so I call this maintenance skincare. So still brings me back to Nano Extra White. Nano Extra White soap, that is if you are light skinned and you are trying to maintain your skin. Nano Extra White soap is 1,000 naira. Use it for your face and body morning and night. But if you are not light skinned, if you are dark skinned and you are just trying to maintain your skin and all, please go for Dove cream bar soap. Dove cream bar soap is very nice, very gentle on the skin. It's just cleanses the skin. It doesn't have any whitening property or any antimicrobial property, but it cleanses the skin and gets rid of dirt and all. That is 350 naira. In some places maybe 500 naira if you are maybe in Unilag or you're in, you know, those schools, that those places that things are probably expensive. You get Dove cream bar for 350 to 500 naira only. Okay, so that brings me to rose water. Rose water is, you can use any, maybe Boots or is it Boots or Root. I'll leave a picture of the rose water on the screen here. You can buy that rose water. It is very good to tone your skin. It is moisturizing and, you know, whitening. Not whitening as in it will make you white, but, you know, just get rid of hyperpigmentation or any uneven skin tone and all. Then if you also, that's 1,000 for the soap for your face and body. Then you need rose water for your face. That's 2,000 naira. Then your Goji berry serum or vitamin C serum as well. Goji berry serum or vitamin C serum, that's 1,500. Then your face cream, don't forget, your face cream is 800 naira, la face cream. Then your cool body scrub, guys, your cool body scrub, you need to scrub your skin, you need to exfoliate, that's 1,200. Then you need your body cream as well. Get any Nivea body cream. You could get Nivea even a radiance. You could get any other one. Then you need your sunscreen for your face as well. Sunscreen is 2,000 naira only, which brings us to 10,500 naira for the maintenance skin because of rose water. Rose water here is, you know, more expensive than the Saturday cleanser here. So that's 10,500 naira. If you can afford 10,000, you can definitely add the 500 naira to it. So yes, that is all. I wrote everything out here. Like, I didn't sleep last night. I was trying to do permutation and combination and all. So yeah, that's basically all for this video, guys. That is entirely all for this video. So for Nano Extra White soap, where I mentioned Nano Extra White soap, if you cannot find Nano Extra White soap, please make sure you go for kojic acid transparent soap. Kojic acid transparent whitening soap. That cream is now very scarce. It used to be like, that was what I was using before, but I stopped seeing it around. So if you are lucky, well, Nano Extra White is very popular, so you definitely see Nano Extra White. But if you see Kojic acid transparent, they wrote it there, transparent whitening soap, please do get that one. Although it finishes very quickly, but it works, guys. It works. It gets the work done. It gets my very strong recommendation. And that will be all for this video. Feel free to replace any of these products with your preferred one, but it's just like I have to put this one here because of the price we are trying to go for. And yeah, I do hope that I've been able to help you one way or the other in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Do make sure you watch this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share it with your family and friends, and watch my ads, guys. Watch my ads, guys. Watch my ads. I beg you, please watch my ads. If you know any student that has been trying to maybe create skincare products, please share this video with them so that they can learn one or two. Thank you very much, and I will see you in another video. Peace out.